Your stomach can growl loud enough to wake someone sleeping next to you. That embarrassing rumble isn't actually your stomach begging for food. It's called borborygmus, and it happens whether you're hungry or not. Your digestive system is constantly working, pushing food, liquids, and gas through your intestines using wave-like muscle contractions. When your stomach is empty, these contractions have nothing to muffle the sound. It's like the difference between clapping underwater versus clapping in air. The empty space amplifies every gurgle and squeeze. Your stomach actually growls more after you eat, but the food dampens the noise. Those hunger pangs you feel, that's your brain releasing growling, telling your stomach to prep for incoming food. So next time your belly roars in a quiet room, remember it's just doing its job.